My name is Jim McNulty. I'm the Executive Director of Mental Health Consumer Advocates of Rhode Island, and I've been working in the mental health field both as a patient, so-called, or consumer of services, as well as an advocate and a provider. When I was first approached by the ACLU to advise of the content of this bill, I was a little surprised. I've always regarded the Department of Health with more or less as a benign organization. They're helpful, actually. They exist in part to watch out for our health. I've talked to members of my organization and other people in the mental health field, and mental health treatment is something that is predicated on confidentiality and privacy between our physicians and ourselves. It can be really revealing just to know what medication somebody's taking. I really am uncomfortable with the idea, as Mr. Quinlan said, of police departments and other law enforcement authorities of having the more or less untrammeled right to go into your medical record at the, just to go on a fishing expedition. I've had personal experience with having the PDMP triggered for my own medication because I am now over 65, and there are extra protections for those of us over 65. Protections I don't particularly feel I need. I can tell you that having an investigation triggered on myself, and this was just the Department of Health, no outside authorities, was very upsetting to me because it got at the heart of my relationship with my psychiatrist, and it poses questions. So people think it's really simply a legal question, a minor detail that you're going to ask, just ask law enforcement just has to ask the Director of Health for permission, and nobody should be too concerned about it. As Dr. Fessler made pretty clear, this is not helpful in the struggle against opioid addiction. As a matter of fact, I think you said it's pretty much headed the wrong direction. And I agree with that, but more than that, I think everybody here is united in thinking this is a bill that the governor really needs to take a serious look at and veto, in my judgment, and the judgment of a whole bunch of my colleagues and associated organizations. There's no reason for this bill. It just doesn't need to be there.